I think they gave it their all. Both of them gave it their all in that final round. There you have it. I'm sure all of you guys are excited to find out kung sino ang nanalo sa mata ng ating mga hurado. But definitely
kasi it takes a lot of experience and studies before.
Happening inside the ring.
Siguro ang importante lang kasi may lasting impression din ng boxing Pag maganda ka magdala ng laban, marami kang makukuhang laban. Maraming kukuha sa'yo, pag exciting fighter ka. So, with these two fighters giving it all dito sa laban na to, I'm sure a lot of promoter will find their talent to fight on their promotion.
And if you look at the comment section, there's a lot of prediction. Maraming nagsasabi. Some are in favor of Galan, some are in favor of Reyes. Yung iba, draw. So it's really a very, very competitive fight, ano?
Ang sure lang natin to, tingin ko.
So mga kaibigan,
malapit lang tong mga score na to.
Big fight we have tonight. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. And here are the scores of the 3 judges. Donald Guedes scores about 58-56 for Reyes. Elmer Costillas scores about 57-57. Al Yanita scores about 57-57. A majority draw.
There you have it, partner. Nanalo yung mga nag-predict ng draw. It's a majority draw.
Oh, yeah, it's a majority draw but one judge score for Angelo Reyes.
Yes.
58-56. Bragging rights na lang, partner.
Tama.
Siguro, although the fight ended in a draw, siguro pwede rin masabi ni Angelo Reyes that one judge in favor of me. But the total verdict of this fight is a majority draw. How about a possible rematch, partner?